Before I show you how to make it, I'm actually going to show you how to cut a root vegetable, because it is actually a little bit difficult. It can even be dangerous. First you take the root part out, then turn it around, and I picked a beet purposely because beets are very hard. And then this gives you a flat surface. You turn it onto its side, and now you have a solid surface to work with. You just cut it at the desired thickness, all the way like this, and look how gorgeous this beet is. Isn't that amazing? And then you put it on its side again. Always work with a flat surface so that it is stable, so that you don't have to worry about it rolling all over the place and then putting your fingers in the way as you try to catch it. So you turn it and you turn it around again, and then this is the final cut, and you have nice, beautiful dices. So here are our ingredients. We have carrots, apple, rutabaga, parsnip, and beets. You can use all of it. You can use as many as you want. You can use as little as you want. This is the beauty of this dish. We're going to begin by putting a little bit of oil in a pot, and then we are going to sweat our onions. Now, the term sweating refers to cooking at a low temperature so that the liquid comes out and that the flavor gets stronger. We just put a little bit of salt. If you are on a low sodium or no sodium diet, obviously you omit this step. And then you simply add your ingredients. And it doesn't matter in which order you put it. Just place each of the root vegetable and the apple in the pot. After putting your vegetable in the pot, you add your flavoring agent, fresh thyme, fresh sage, and bay leaf. Be careful with the bay leaves. If you put too much, sometimes it gives a bitter taste to the final product. We add our chicken stock. In talking about chicken stock, you want to, if possible, make it your own. It is really the absolute best. If you cannot make it yourself, buy a low sodium one. The regular chicken stock that is already made really has a lot of salt in it. The beauty of this dish is you don't have to worry about it. The longer it cooks, the better it gets. You cannot overcook this dish. The other beautiful part about this dish is you can actually cook it a few days ahead. You cook it all the way, you let it cool, put it in the refrigerator, and when you're ready to use it, and it can be 2, 3, 4 days later, you just bring it back to a low boil. And it actually will be better. It will have improved with age. Simple, delicious, absolutely fantastic on its own, but also a great complement to any meat, particularly turkey and chicken.